Hey guys, I'm Henry from hkxfit channel. Welcome with another video. So today I'm doing a lovely comparison between these two action cameras. This is ThiEYE T5e and this is SJ7 Star. Now both these cameras are really popular in the budget level. So this costs around $110 and this $160. They can go both as high as 240 fps at 720p, 1080p, 120 fps. Very beautiful slow motion, both of them. Now, do you think the SJ7 Star, which costs a little more, is better than the ThiEYE T5e? To find the real answer, which is better, this or that, let's jump right into my video and see the answer yourself. During this comparison, I'll focus on design, ease of use, media and price. Okay, so first up the design. They both look special on their behalf. The ThiEYE T5e on front has a nice texture, sort of microscopically horizontal lines, and on the very bottom a nice plastic design. What I like mostly about T5e design is the rubberized material around the camera, which feels very nice. Moving on with SJ7 Star's design, its front panel comes off sort of plastic and rubber all together. When you touch it, it feels strong rubberized material. Around the camera, a nice shiny metallic design stands firmly and glossy. On the bottom you see the battery house, and meanwhile my favorite feature of this camera, built-in screw port for fast mounting on your tripod. Left side on both cameras come almost the same, HDMI, USB, microSD card, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack port over the T5e. My second preview point, ease of use. Without talking too much, I gotta give the crown to the SJ7 Star for its touchscreen capability. You can change the menu faster, while T5e takes time to change modes, sometimes feels boring. Moving on to the third point of this comparison, the media. Outdoors in sunny light, both cameras shoot great, though I noticed the SJ7 Star maintains colors a bit better, has a very good dynamic range, especially indoor rooms. You can see the window. The ThiEYE T5e has blown the whites away. They can go as high as 4K 30 fps or 25 fps super view, and it's really nice, very much details, so yeah, they both shoot great. Stabilization, they look the same to me, though stabilization works better when shooting 1080p. I prefer 60 fps though. Slowmo is great when it comes to smoothness, but dynamic range, you can see T5e has faint colors, doesn't balance correctly. The dynamic range isn't as good as the SJ7 Star. Moreover, I was shocked though to watch the poor quality of 240 fps Slowmo from the SJ7 Star. 240 fps, I gotta give it to the ThiEYE T5e. Last but not least, the pricing point. SJ7 Star retails right now for $149 and the T5e retails for $99. If you're interested to buy any of these cameras, use the links below to buy so you are supporting my channel. And that's the end guys, I really hope it helped some of you to decide either or not to get the ThiEYE T5e or SJ7 Star. They're both really good cameras, you won't be disappointed with either of that, but if you're in a really tight budget, the ThiEYE T5e will make better for you. And if you want to spend a little more, get the SJ7 Star, stellar battery life. So if you enjoyed my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, it always does help a lot. So also if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I want to put a lot of awesome stuff, so stay tuned. Again, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Henry, have a good day, peace.